NBC29 forecast.
Well, that pretty potent storm on Sunday certainly delivered some beneficial rain and, of course, ended with, for some nice wet snow. We'll get to that in a moment, but general rainfall amounts anywhere from 1.5 inches to upwards of 3 inches certainly needed. The drought is still ongoing, and here's the scene as the snow transitioned over to a heavy wet snow. This is from Melinda Branch and Cremora, and that took place late last night, early this morning. Parts of the valley seen anywhere from 1/2 inch upwards to 3 inches of snow in spots. Warren Falk captured the snowy sunrise this morning from his vantage point. And look at this beautiful shot from Janet Braywaith in Mount Sydney, certainly a winter wonderland. Here we are up at Wintergreen where they picked up 6.5 inches of snow, fresh snow. That's great for our local ski resorts, whether it's Wintergreen or Massanutten. And there's the view of those snow-covered Blue Ridge. There's a look at some of the snowfall amounts across the region from late last night, early this morning. And may have skipped over some locations, only a trace here in Charlottesville, but Louisa along the Route 15 corridor picked up 1/2 inch. And of course, there were some schools delays and the like. 41 is the current number at the airport, only touched 49 for a high today. Air mass is very dry. It will be a much colder overnight. Currently 34 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 42 for the afternoon high. Some other readings, we have 36 in Orange, 38 currently in Palmyra, 34 right now in Livingston, same there in Waynesboro, and 35 in Harrisonburg. So temperatures tonight, most of us in the low and mid 20s. There will be some upper teens in the normally colder spots, and especially if you have any leftover snow cover that's out there in spots. Temperatures tomorrow, a little bit at or just around seasonal averages, anywhere from the upper 40s to low 50s. Still a cool day, lots of sunshine. Now we are going to have a dry cold front come through on Wednesday. That'll bring a little bit more clouds in, but temperatures will chill back down here for Thursday. So we kind of hover in the upper 40s and low 50s here the next several days, and then we'll be stuck in the 40s here for Thursday. But a dry pattern, and I'll show you when the next chance of any precipitation is looming on the horizon. But things are quiet now. High pressure will build in from the west. The storm system responsible for the severe storms that spawned the tornadoes in Tennessee, the beneficial rain, the snow, well, that system is now up in Atlantic Canada and moving away. So high pressure will build in, and much of the nation pretty quiet right now. And so we'll have a couple days of some quiet weather. Not that this is bitterly cold, but some chillier air will begin to retreat briefly and then come back on Thursday. And then temperatures will come up a little higher as we get into Friday and this weekend. So a cold start in the morning, anywhere from the upper teens to mid 20s. Abundant sunshine, a beautiful day, anywhere from the mid 40s to low 50s for highs. Wednesday now, temperatures will start not as cold, upper 20s and low 30s. Front comes through dry. It'll bring some cloudiness with it, but temperatures here on Wednesday in the upper 40s and low 50s. And then jumping ahead toward the tail end of the weekend, the storm system in the Gulf of Mexico will be looming off the southeast coast. Whether it moves farther north or combines with the front, that's something that will follow over the next several days. Temperatures here tonight then in the upper teens to mid 20s, quite cold. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures, again, not overly warm this week, but still not too bad here for December. Temperatures will come up more so as we head into Friday and this weekend, and we'll watch Sunday and Monday as we progress through the next several days this week.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. And remember, the forecast available at all hours of the day on the Storm Team 29 weather app. You can download that app by scanning the QR code on your screen or on our website. In the app, you can track the radar, get hour-by-hour forecasts, and important weather alerts.
Right now, our report